Okay, good morning, friends. So today we'll discuss the hydropower engineering. The new topic will discuss the small hydropower plant in India. Small hydropower in India. Now, power scenario in India. The renewable energy accounts for the approximately 18% of the total 214.86 gigawatts of the power generation capacity installation in India. India will generate the approximate renewable is the 18% and the totals 214.86 gigawatts will be power will be generated for the capacity of India. Now, demands for the powers in India has been increasing due to the rising the populations and growing the economy and changing the lifestyles. So despite the sustainable capacity additions, the power sectors in still the shortage of energy. Peak demand shortage average around the 9%. So that will be the graph will be identified. So energy will be generated. So yellow is the coal will be used for the generating the power electricity. Now second is the gas will be used for the 9%. Now diesel is used in the 2%. Nuclear is the use for the diesel is used for the 1%. Nuclear is used 2%. Hydropower is used for the 18% and other is 12%. So these are the growth of the renewable energy installation capacity for the in India. Okay, so these are the financial year 2007, financial year 2008, 2009, 10, 11, 12. So these are the growing of the renewable energy installation capacity. Now the India is the capable with the economically usable and viable hydro potentials assessed to about the 84,000 megawatt at 60% load factors in 1,48,701 megawatt installation capacity. 56 sites for the pump storage scheme, which aggregates installation capacity of 94,000 megawatts have been identified. So these are the India is about the 84,000 megawatts and 60% of the load factors. So total is the 1,48,701 megawatts should be installation capacity, and the pump should be storage scheme. Total 56 sites should be used in the pump storage scheme. So aggregate installation capacity is the 94,000 megawatts should be identified. Now these are the size of power plants. A micro power plants is the minimum less than 100 megawatts, greater than 100 megawatts. These are small power plants is the 5 megawatt to 25 megawatts. So mini power plants is the 500 kilowatt to 2 megawatts. Micro power plants is the 50 kilowatt to 200 kilowatts. The pico power plants is the less than 30 kilowatts. So these are the size of power plants in India. Now these are the actual site layout of the hydropower stations. So these are the typical arrangement of the small hydropower station. So that is the powerhouse. These are the diversion of the weir. These are the intake, distilling the tank, headrest, 4 by. Then this penstock. This penstock will be flowing the water to a powerhouse. Then stream. Now these are the typical layouts of the hydropower plant or the actual site layout. Now the small hydropower plant potential. The potential is the 15,000 megawatts. Identified potential is the 11,356 megawatt, 4,554 sites. Installation capacity is the 19 175 megawatts, 602 projects under implementations, 649 megawatts, 219 projects. Private sector initiatives, over the 110 small hydropower plant projects aggregating the 450 megawatt consumptions by the private sectors. Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh, Maharashtra, Uttarachal, Punjab, West Bengal. So these are the over the small hydropower plants. So Karnataka is the 280 megawatts, Andhra Pradesh is the 101 megawatt, Himachal Pradesh is the 28.5 megawatts, Maharashtra is the 6 megawatt, Uttarachal is the 6 megawatt, Punjab is the 7.75 megawatt, West Bengal is the 6 megawatt. So these are the small private sectors should be initiated for the generating the hydropowers. The top 10 small hydropower plants potential sites. So these are the Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Jammu Kashmir, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh. So these are the top 10 small hydropower plant potential states. So that site number, total number of sites is the in Himachal Pradesh 323, potential megawatts is 1624, achieved megawatt is 141.61. Uttaranchal 354, potential is 1478, achievement is 75.67. Jammu Kashmir is the sites number of sites is 201, potential megawatts is 1207, achievement is 111.83. Karnataka is 258, potential is 652, and achievement is 416.50. Maharashtra is 234, potential is 1160, and achievement is 209.33. Kerala is 252, potential is 514, achievement is 98.12. Tamil Nadu is 147, potential is 338, achievement is 89.70. Madhya Pradesh 85, potential is 336, achievement is 51.16. UP Uttar Pradesh is 211, potential in megawatts is 267, achievement is 20.1. Andhra Pradesh is the sites 286, potential is 254, no achievements. Now these are the potential projects in small hydropower sector by states. So that will be mentioned in India. So different states for the hydropower, small hydropower plants in different state in India. So this cost factor in India. So these are the cents per kilowatts. These are the average power production expenses per kilowatts. Fossil fuel. So green is the fuel, red is the maintenance, and yellow is the operation cost. So these are the graph should be mentioned the cost factor in hydropowers. Okay, thank you for today's lecture. Next topic we'll discuss next lecture.